Corporate America. Here we have the bed. I've done this before, but I was doing like, ooh, the crunch. But it's still a scam. Happy Monday. No, happy Tuesday. I'm on my way to work, obviously, but I wanted to vlog this week because I'm always talking about work is beating my ass, and I figured I'll take you to work with me because I love vlogging and it's like you're my emotional support. I have a very, very full week. I'm also gonna be traveling for work, and by traveling I mean going all the way to North Jersey for like 2 days. Instead of driving back and forth from Jersey to Philly, I was like, might as well just stay up there. When I get to work, I'll show you my calendar. Back to back to back to back. Literally on the verge of tears. I don't know how, when did that girl boss so hard that I have so many responsibilities, but here we are. We're gonna take it. We're gonna take the blessings. That makes sense. We can go do the slides again tomorrow morning. I was like, what's going on? It's lunchtime, my favorite time. I come to my car to decompress and just warm up. I'm gonna turn my car on and put the seat warmer because corporate America, I don't know if it's true, but I think I read somewhere that offices are so cold because men used to work in the office. It wasn't like a thing for women, and men run hot. And plus they were in suits all day, so they crank up that AC. And now that the women entered the corporate world, 90% of us are iron deficient. So bro, I'm in that office freezing my ass off. My toes, my fingers, everything is frozen. That's why I come to my car. I'm gonna toast in the sun and just chill.
Okay, then what happened?
It feels so good to be getting home and the sun is still shining. Oh my god, I literally feel the depression leaving my body. Like I only missed one prayer. The possibilities are endless. So this morning, I even packed my bag while I was getting ready, and I never do that. I usually pack my bag the night before, but I was so comfortable in bed last night after I finished eating, and I was like, do I get up or do I just allow it? So I just allowed it. So I have to wash my dishes, pack my bag for tomorrow, get my outfit. I actually need to pack as well because tomorrow I'm going all the way up to North Jersey for that conference, and then I'm gonna be staying there until Thursday evening. So it's gonna be a long 2 days. You know what's really funny? So technically my job didn't pay for this. Like I paid for this out of pocket. I just did it because I wanted the flexibility and like I just wanted to sleep in so I can like, you know what I mean? But I'm hoping that I don't run into any of my coworkers in my hotel because that would be really awkward. Like the 8 hours that we do at work is plenty enough for me. I don't need extra socializing, none of that. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna shower and get the evening started. Okay, here. Morning. It's 6:27, 6:31. I wanted to be out of here by 6:30. That snooze button got me, y'all. It got me. The goal is to be there at 8:30 because I have a meeting at 9. It doesn't look good if I like go rushing and at 8:55 and I go into a meeting room breathing hard and stuff. So I'm lathering myself in all this lotion right now because even though it's gonna be a little bit warm today, that office air, so cold, it makes me ashy in an hour. God I took that jacket. It's cold as the sun is rising. I'm gonna have such a beautiful sunrise driving to work. I cannot wait. So let's get going.
Again, in either broader teams or across even more than commercial.
I just finished the work day and I just checked into my hotel room. I want to give you a little tour. You walk in, you have a little hallway, and then to the right, we got the bathroom. It's kind of cute. Ooh, okay, lights, toilet, shower, sink, mirror. This is nice. You walk over here, you have a little desk area. What is this? Coffee bar. Okay, mini fridge and microwave. That's nice. And then a little closet over here. Ironing board safe. This desk is actually so cute, but I will not be using this. And then you walk over here, we have the bed. This might be a king size, guys. The little couch, and then of course view of the parking lot. I also do have a TV here, and I have a mirror over here, which is really cute. So can you believe I've been in these shoes for like 12 hours? Aquí está mi teléfono. Every year my company does this like conference thing that I have to participate in, and me and my team are also presenting. And so we were working on this for like a couple of weeks, trying to come up with new ways of working and just overall like ways to be innovative and stuff like that. Everybody from my company is gonna be there, like the VP. So the person that organized this asked me to help them organize it, and I'm like, I'm presenting and you want me to organize it too? And he was like, yeah, no, it's gonna be fine, blah blah blah. So I was helping organize the whole thing on top of me prepping for my own stuff that I have to present. So it was really hectic. The day is finally here. It's tomorrow. When I looked at the schedule, my team was supposed to go first at like 9 a.m. Some other team had like an issue. They're like, can we please switch, blah blah blah. So we had to move things around, and now my presentation slot I think is at 11:30, which is still not bad because it's still early in the morning. Like I hope I stay fresh in my head. But today we were in the office. Your girl had 6 meetings back to back to back. I had like maybe 15 to 30 minute breaks in between, so I couldn't get anything done. I was just hopping from room to room, and I also had time scheduled for my team to kind of go over what we're gonna say, like rehearse, quote unquote rehearse. But we got into the meeting room and then so many things like caught on fire, so we were like talking about other things, lost track of time, didn't rehearse at all. So that's great. So I have my laptop here. I'm gonna rehearse my part because I don't want to like stumble. I don't want to stumble on my words, and I'm already gonna be nervous, so I have to at least know what I'm saying, and it will be good. But I want dinner. I'm in the middle of nowhere, New Jersey. When I was driving here, I did see a pizza place and ShopRite, but I had pizza for lunch already. All I have to eat are these plantain chips and this Nutella Go Cup. I don't even have a water. Let me check if they have water in the fridge. If they have water in the fridge, at least I won't order that. No water. Water, sandy water. Okay, I'm on Uber Eats right now. I'm looking at all the options, and honestly, it's not giving. I have ordered a chicken Caesar wrap with plantains, and I'm gonna go downstairs to see if they have water, because why did I try to add water to my order? That shit was $5 for a bottle of water. Bro, you can get a gallon for 99 cents. What do you mean you're selling a bottle for $5? Make it make sense. I got 2 waters from the hotel bar downstairs. This was $3, better than $5, but it's still a scam. I got a chicken Caesar wrap. It comes with fries apparently, but then I really wanted platanos, so I got some maduros as well. So let's see what it says. Usually I don't like diner food, but I honestly don't think plantains should be cut this big because usually it just doesn't cook on the inside, but this is good. Let's try the fries. They could have kept that chicken Caesar. It looks juicy. I like that. I haven't had that in a long time. Very, very nice. It's giving healthy. I love that for me. Good morning. It's coronation day. I woke up at like 4:30 a.m. Couldn't go back to sleep, but I'm not mad about it because I fell asleep at like 8:30. But I don't know what they put in that bed. I was out. I was out like a light. I tried to practice a little bit this morning. That shit was not flowing. I don't feel nervous. I think the nerves will only kick in like once I'm in the room and I'm like, I see the people. Because like public speaking is like one of my biggest fears, and I've done it before, maybe like a year ago, but it was like not so much of a big group. So this is like 50 people and big wits, big guys are gonna be there. So I'm ready. Guys, the day's over. The presentations are over. Everything went well. Alhamdulillah. Oh my gosh. I was so nervous. I missed a couple points, but overall, it's currently 7 p.m. 8 p.m. I'm lying. Now I'm getting gas and going home. Thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. I love Jersey. They pump the gas for you. But these gas prices usually takes me like $30 to fill up my tank. $44.50. $44.50. Okay. So like this is what I mean by like work beats me up. Obviously like this is like a one-off week where this doesn't happen all the time, but the mental energy that some weeks take is kind of like this, getting home at 9 p.m. 10 p.m. But like I said in the car, the presentation went well, which I'm very happy about. Everything else, the logistics of it, everything that was planning went really, really well. My boss was really happy. All of my bosses were really happy, which I'm grateful for. Next week is also going to be another quote-unquote challenging week at work because I am starting, it's not a new project, but I want to, like, starting to learn another side of the business. I don't know if I'm going to move there just yet, but so one of the directors in that specific department, she was like, I'm setting up training sessions with you next week, da-da-da, this and that. So I'm going to have to do my job plus another team's job. So I'm very happy that today is Thursday though. The week is ending. One more work day. It's Friday morning. I woke up before my alarm with a headache, as if this week wasn't hard enough. Oh, I had a list yesterday before I went to sleep. I did a list of everything that I wanted to get done today. I'm still gonna get it done because I have to end the week with a bang. So I'm gonna try to nurse this headache for a little bit, drink some water, and then maybe I'll feel better. I did the math on this headache and I just realized that between yesterday and Thursday, no, yesterday was Thursday, between yesterday and Wednesday, I probably had like a bottle of water. One little 16-ounce bottle of water. I was like, oh, of course you're gonna have a headache. You're dehydrated as well. It's so annoying. It's honestly so annoying when you have to parent yourself. Like, I just want to not have to think about the things that I have to do to feel good. You know what I mean? I just want to feel good all the time. Yeah.
That was a really good one.
And that one was the first idea. He's like, I like what you're thinking, but no. I made a little breakfast toast and beef bacon. Every couple months, I remember that beef bacon exists, and I always choose it over turkey bacon. It's so good. If you never tried beef bacon, try that. The crunch? That's what I'm talking about. All right, friends, I am officially wrapped with work and I am shutting my brain off now. Thank you so much for spending the week with me. I'm gonna try to rest as much as I can this weekend and just kind of relax and regroup. So I hope you had a lovely week. I hope you're taking care of yourself, but I also hope you're working hard and being a boss babe, because there's no better feeling than being on top of your shit, you know? I appreciate you being here and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. I'll show you what I packed. I have my turkey sandwich, vanilla yogurt, some dates, and a water. The healthiest of the lunches. I see my coworker who's always asking me to lunch, and ooh, slide down. Okay, they're walking away. I don't want to spend more time with these people. The thing is though, I wanted to shower and like pray and everything, but I just realized that I didn't pack like regular lounge wear. I literally only have the things that I need to sleep and what I'm wearing tomorrow. So I can't go down the lobby in like my pajama shorts. I'm gonna have to order it now, go get it, and then come back up. The event that I had at work came with like gift bags, which I helped. Again, I told you how I was helping prep the whole thing. I helped put this together. I want to show you what's in the gift bags. It came with this hat. It's so cute. It says Bright Minds, and in the back it says Inspire Innovation. Really cute. I'm not even a hat person, but yes. A little Jenga game because it's cute. We got some clappers, and then this really nice blanket. And I'm pretty sure I talked about it at the beginning of the week. It's freezing in these offices. So I'm gonna leave this at my desk at work, because on those days where I feel like my toes are gonna fall off, this is gonna come in clutch. And then a notebook and a sticker. I just wanted to say, if you didn't know, I'm also a designer and I know gifts. So if you want to hire me, emails in my bio.